Alright, I'm going to random the ping pong giveaway for free Rat Key helmets. Four contestants are Michael, Seth, Levi, and Patrick. We're going to do 5 greater on the dice roll. Michael, Seth, Levi, Patrick. 858. Get back here, type wide. 859. 858. Alright. 5 greater on the dice roll. We have 6. 859. 859. Alright. 859. Alright, good luck everyone. 859 still. Alright, round 5 we have Patrick in first. Go back here and type in final round, good luck. Nine o'clock. 8:59. And the winner of the free helmet is Patrick Miller. Congrats, man. Message me if you don't see the message on our page. Otherwise, I'll go live and you can choose which helmet of the 5 you want. Alright. Thanks, everyone.